How to promote CPA offers and earn 500 plus per day and CPA marketing. So sounds something like crazy and unbelievable, but if you stay with me to the end of this video, I'm going to share with you step by step that how you can make money with this passive income strategy actually that we can simply use the OfferVault website. OfferVault is basically a CPA marketing or CPA network actually that from all over the world people are coming and they are adding their CPA offers right here, and people from all over the world are coming and they are getting that and promoting and making money from that right here, as you can simply see here. If you want to make money something like this right here, so basically then you can start making money with this tutorial because it is available worldwide and everybody can use right here. So stay with me to the end of this video. I'm going to share with you step by step that how we can do that. So before starting the method, I would just request you to watch the video to the very end, and as well as that, just hit the like button as an appreciation for this video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that for these types of brilliant and exciting videos actually that we can make every single day for making money online, getting passive income, and working from home, whether that's affiliate marketing, CPM marketing, so you can get for absolutely free. So let's begin the strategy that how it is working. The first and important thing is that you need to come to the CPA network, which is OfferVault. So you can use CPA Grab, CPA Lead, Max Bounty, and any other one. So if you're interested, you can simply use, but I can simply use this one right here. You can simply just click on the search bar right here and type any product if you want to promote, or you can simply choose anyone or filter anyone right here. For example, just simply click on the category right here and click on the email submit, and then click again right here and then scroll down and just select the CPA right here. So we have selected two filters right here. Once we select that, then we can simply see the page available, this one right here, which will be this offer right here that we can simply promote, or you can simply choose any offer right here. For example, you can simply scroll down and you can simply select this one right here. Let me just select right here, just click on that. Once you click on that, they can give us more information and more details right here. For example, that we can simply submit the email and we can earn money from that. But basically that is not a direct payment right here. That is the percentage of this offer. Whenever people purchase, we will get, for example, 3.80% of that revenue right here. But basically we will not need these types of offers right here. So for that reason, we need to go back right here and we can simply select email submit watch Apple Watch, something like that. So if people just submit their email about this Apple Watch, which is from US, and we can get $1.45 right here. So we can simply scroll down. That only required the US people to sign up with that and add their link. So basically this will be the page I will and pop up for them that they can simply read, and then they can simply just sign up through that right here. So the next step will be that we can simply sign up with this network right here. For example, let me just click on that. So you can simply click on the run offer right here. Once we click on that run offer, you need to sign up with this 𝐴nYesmedia.com. You need to sign up with this. Once you sign up with that, then you can simply grab your link from here. So I cannot sign up with that. That's not available in my country, but of course it will be available in your country. You can simply just get that and you can sign up with that. If it is available, then you can simply sign up. If it is not available, it's not a big deal. You need to go back right here and you can simply just select any other offer. The main strategy is that how you can promote to the right people, to the right audience, and the right direction and location. So once you sign up with that, then you can grab your CPA link. The next step will be that you can simply go to this website, pushground.com. Once you go to the pushground.com right here, then you can simply visible this page right here, and then you can simply sign up for free. Once you sign up for that, basically this method is not free. You need to invest a little bit, and the back side you can see the result right here. So as you can see here, that boosts your marketing performance with with push grounds leading an ad network, offering high quality ad traffic across four proven ad formats right here. So they have the four different offers right here that they can simply use. But I can suggest you that you can simply use the banner ads because it really can work, and I will show you that how it is working and how it is shown in other people contents right here. As you can see here, there is a thousands a million daily impression available on this website right here, and $0.001 minimum CPC is that means by $1 you can reach to a thousands of people right here to promote your offers. And those thousands people, if only two people just purchase, so you get almost 3x your money or 4x your money right here. So that is the main strategy that you can make money with this. And another great part is right here that it is available more than 200 plus countries right here. It's available that you can simply use. So what you need to do, you can simply click on the sign up button, and then you can create the campaign, something like this, which is a very easy. You don't need to do or have a special skills. You need to basically understand, for example, the offer, for example, that this offer is, for example, what traffic they need. For example, if it is US traffic, then you need to target the US location, and that way you can simply use that. So once you are done with that, then you can simply see here that your ads will be available and pop up on this type of website right here, for example, like this one right here. So basically this is CNN, but you can see BBC, you can see, for example, MSM, for example, you can see here, for example, your ads pop up right here. So as you can see here, this is an ad, somebody just has put it a banner ads on this website, and that is available now right here. Okay, so your ads will be also shown to different people on the top banner or the side banner like this one right here, and people when they are reading these stories, they can also see your ads and they can simply click on that. Whenever people click on that, submit their email, so we are earning money from that. So that is really simple and easy strategy that you can simply use right here. As you can see here, this is another ad right here that ad shown. So your ads will be also shown right here. If you scroll down, you can also see many ads on this type of websites that there are banner ads, something like that. As you can see here, recommended by Outbrain. Okay, so this is also a paid content that you can simply use right here that they are promoting, so we can also promote. We simply just, as I told you, you need to sign up right here on this website, and once you sign up, then you can create a campaign and add your CPA link or offer link, and you're good to go with that. Relax and just wait for people to just click on that and submit their emails, and we are earning money from that. So hope you like the method and you are interested with that. If you like it, please don't forget to hit the like button as an appreciation for this video, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. As you can see here, they have push ads and page push ads, calendar ads, pop-up ads. These all are working, but push ads and page push ads are really great, which works properly for this types of CPA marketing offers right here. So see you next. Bye bye.